Hello and welcome back to my Myrtle Beach video blog, where today I want to look at the Grand Strand real estate market's first 6 months of 2020 numbers compared to the first 6 months of 2019. So let's jump right in. And what you can always do is segment our market between primary single family homes and then secondary properties. I'm going to attempt to do that to you and draw a distinction at what I call the tale of two markets here in Myrtle Beach. So let's start with single family homes. Really interesting. I've been talking about this for years, how we're in this perfectly balanced market with inventory and demand. It continues. Let's look, and despite COVID, single family homes in the Grand Strand have not missed a beat. Let me jump in. Inventory as of July 1st in 2020 was 5,562 homes. Inventory on the same date a year earlier, 5,560. We're talking about 2 more houses for sale. It's unchanged. Sold, so single family homes closed, according to our multiple listing service, 4,756 in the first half of 2020, 4,812 first half of 19. So about 60 less units out of close to 5,000. It's marginal, okay? And days on market was up like 7 days, which is not a big deal. The prices, the median sale price was up 3%, average was up 5.5%. So steady, healthy market. Now look, single family homes, there is a ton of new construction still. All the big builders are here, of course, and so they are feeding the inventory, but the demand is super strong, so there's this perfectly balanced market. Let's go to condos. Now there's a distinction we have to draw with condos and townhomes because they're combined in our MLS, and more people probably than I can remember in my career are making a condo or a townhome their dwelling, their primary residence, as prices have gone up on single family homes. Makes sense, right? So when you look at condos and townhomes combined, inventory identical year over year, 3458, 3457, unchanged. Solds, the solds, now here's where we're going to get into it. The units closed is down 17.7%. You may say, whoa, well, that's coming. That's with our resort, oceanfront, ocean view. That's COVID related. So we went down from 3,116 closings in 19 to 2,563 in 20. Days on market unchanged. Prices are up on the median sale price 5.5%, average up 4%. Lagging indicators, when demand goes down and inventory rises, you're going to start to see potentially prices come down a little, but that's not showing up yet. Now, let me break it out, this oceanfront, ocean view. I'm going to combine those because that's what's dragging down the condos and townhomes that people are buying to live in, similar to a single family home. They're just lower priced because price point, median sale price was up from 136 to 144. Average was up from 160 to 166. So you can see the price point for a dwelling is much less on the condos and townhomes. Now let me go to the oceanfront, ocean view, and this is what's going to tell the picture. And let me set it up. If you're under contract on March 1st to close April 20th on an oceanfront 2-bedroom condo that you're going to rely on the income to help subsidize your payment, well, guess what? You're a little nervous when the whole country shuts down. So a lot of people chose to withdraw or to cancel, or to maybe people were going to buy and didn't. They're holding off. This is called normal. In a recession and uncertainty, there's less demand, less buyers for the stuff on the ocean front. So look at this. 856 closings in the first half of 2020 on the oceanfront, ocean view, 1168 the year before. So we saw a 26% decrease in units closed. And the price, again, the prices were up about 2%. So again, lagging indicator there. What does this all mean? It just simply means as we continue to be in a recession and ramifications on certain business owners are yet to be seen, I anticipate demand for oceanfront, ocean view to continue to slide a little bit. However, there's a lot of buildings where I'm still seeing low inventory. I'm seeing the high end, 3-4 bedrooms that are, certainly less recession proof, the people buying $400,000 condos. So we're seeing pockets of still some strength, but then we're seeing some buildings with tons of inventory and hardly any pendings. So what I would recommend, if you're even thinking of selling, please call me so we can discuss. If we're talking oceanfront, ocean view, your building, because it's going to depend. The other thing that's driving our market, there's really a couple factors. We know a lot of people from the Northeast are coming to move here physically. And then you couple that with interest rates that are under 3% now. We just have this kind of perfect storm going. So if you're a seller in the Grand Strand, please call me and don't delay, because as we've all seen in 2020, things can change just like that. So call me. I'd love to discuss it with you. Thanks for indulging this a little longer than normal. Talk to you soon.